Hi, this is Isha Kopikar, and you're watching me on Street Diaries with Samina only on Zoom. We have to essay it to the best possible, in the best possible way. First, it was the role of a wife, then, it was the role of a mother, and I'm a 100% committed actor. If you could do your real life so well with so much of commitment, this is your real life. You better do it with 100% commitment.
I have to ask you that suddenly it's picked up so well that people are making different kind of reels. करवा चौथ की एक स्पेशल रील बन रही है या अलग-अलग occasions की बन रही है.
Yes.
What do you have to say about that?
Suddenly this has happened. Earlier
Yeah.
I was called the Khalas girl, but now I feel Suna Suna has just taken over. करवा चौथ से लेके कुछ भी कहीं भी बर्थडे हो या कुछ भी हो दे, I think the song is evergreen. It's very beautiful, the song, and very meaningful. Shah Rukh Khan is a legend. I think he just wears class like a blanket. He just knows how to carry himself. The way he, जैसे स्टेज पे जाने के टाइम
Yes.
लोगों के
Holding
पल्लू
someone's
या
pallu,
लोगों
yeah.
के गाउन का वो एक वेल या he's just, I think that is what is sexy about a man. You've not got the best, deal, and you feel that it could have been all better. But then I guess that's just a part of the choices that you make. Maybe I should not have done that. I came into the industry thinking of, whether it was Lamhe, whether it was Khuda Gawah, whether it was Sadma, whether it was Mr. India and the Charlie Chaplin scene. Do you even remember that scene?
Yes. Well, it was very done very beautifully.
And that scene where she comes with the kids have not eaten and she comes with samosas and pastries. And she's touched by those kids for the first time because she hates kids. Then they make a lot of noise. And then she comes with that. And that scene is, she is something else. I can't say. I think वो वाला dialogue मुझे बहुत पहले ऐसे लगता था कि हाँ थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता है, इसलिए मैंने बोला मारो मारो. तो 15, 14 या 50 मैंने गिना नहीं. अभी 15 नंबर किसको आप लोगों को मिला? I have no idea. कौन वहाँ उस टाइम चंद्रलेखा के सेट पे बैठा था देखने के लिए कि कितने स्लैप्स है, all that I don't. But मारे काफी मारे.
Were you being offered Big Boss? Would you ever prefer being a part of a show like that?
No. I can't relate to it.
Yeah.
I feel there's too much of a personal life going out there. I think there's enough for Instagram तक ठीक है और personal life की नुमाइश नहीं करनी है.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and on my special show Street Diaries, आज मेरे साथ में है ईशा कोपिकर. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. I don't need to give you introduction. आप ना होकर भी बहुत जगह पर बहुत यानी मेमोरी बनाकर वायरल हुए जा रहे हो. And I genuinely need not give you any introduction because from the kind of songs which you have done, Khallas became so popular, to the kind of work which you have done, and people have loved you for so many years. Tell me about your journey in the world of glamour.
Oh, baap re baap. It's a very long journey but very fulfilling. I started very young, very, very young, just after my 10th standard. And with modeling, and then it just continued modeling to music videos, to South films, to finally Bollywood. And my debut in Bollywood was the famous number Khalas, and then I was the Khalas girl, and the story continues. So it was a great experience. And it still continues because I feel I still have a lot to do. There are a lot of roles I would want to, which I would want to play. Yeah.
So cheers to that.
Yeah, cheers.
Because I'm like literally stopping her from having this. So
No problem.
So many years in the industry also, and I'm sure एक चीज जो हमेशा एक्ट्रेस पे फोकस होता है about their weight gain, weight loss. How much have you kind of faced that challenge?
All the time. I think we all, the industry forces us, to look a certain way, and there's a lot of pressure. And unfortunately, body dysmorphia happens with most of us. But we have to be such is life, that anything that happens in life which is probably not positive, we have to very mindfully and with a lot of awareness train ourselves not to let that affect us. And it's not only pressure of looking a certain way, it is also pressure of being a certain way, doing certain things, living a certain life, showing off, wanton display of wealth, a lot of things.
Yeah.
So it's not only about your weight, it's about a lot of things which I have eventually learned. I've become, after seeing so much, I have learned to draw lines, learned to how to deal with bullshit.
Yeah.
I keep that at bay.
But yes, मेरा question यही था that because you are in the world of glamour and जैसे आपने कहा कि boundaries are important when you start off your career and when you become popular. As I told you, like the bees literally come to you, but also the negativity also comes to you. It's not always sweet. You become a headline of a front page whenever you do a certain thing also. Even छोटी सी बात यानी राय का पहाड़ बन जाती है. How have you navigated and how did you ensure that listen, this is not going to go beyond my work also?
I think insects normally swarm up to a light, a bulb that is lit. If the bulb is dark, you don't see insects around it. So I take that as a compliment. I feel with your kind of, we actors are a chosen few who have got the opportunity to showcase our talent, and we're paid for it. I love my acting profession. It's my passion and I'm paid for it. Not many people are paid for their passion. So I think of it as, it's with full gratitude, I accept that I'm one of the few chosen ones. Having said that, I think I've over the years developed a very astute radar for, like I said earlier, bullshit. So I know now who is saying what and how much of that I should absorb and how much of that I should just reject.
Yeah.
People can say whatever they want. I think it's very important for us to understand what we want and where we want to be. If we don't know that, we don't know our purpose, we don't know our roadmap, we don't know where we want our destination, we can be thoroughly confused, misled. That's when this kind of negativity or this kind of ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए, affects you. If you're very clear of the path that you want to take, it's not very easy to be misled. In the beginning, when you're new to this industry, it happens. Now, I think I've become a pro.
I don't know about you becoming a pro. Of course, we do see that, but
No, not only there.
Yeah.
But in understanding where to draw boundaries, how much of everything is energy, and I put in a lot of energy into everything, into my relationships, into everything. So I just feel कैमरा के सामने भी ये एनर्जी ही है.
Correct.
हम बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
आप सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर किस चीज को कितनी आपको एनर्जी देनी है. कोई आके अभी बात करता है, पता चलता है अब जाके कि
इंटेंशन क्या है, हाँ.
क्या बोल रहा है, कितना सुनना चाहिए और कितना नहीं.
पर एनर्जी अभी फिलहाल आपको खाने पर
वो तो आप बोलिए नहीं मैम.
ये मुझे शायद से आपको बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, बट ईशा, आई genuinely didn't know because I have met you like a couple of times at fashion weeks and all that, but I have not interacted with you. I didn't know this side of yours.
This
And side of yours,
you
is
knew
something
the
which I want to
Kopiker in me,
explore.
you didn't know the Khapiker in me.
Yeah. So I want to genuinely explore this side of you. Being an actress, always being on camera, और कहीं ना कहीं pressure होता है to be fit. आप खुद के क्रेविंग्स को कैसे कंट्रोल भी करते हो और एट द सेम टाइम कहीं ना कहीं वो क्रेविंग्स को फुलफिल भी करते हो?
Discretion is the better part of valor. Moderation too is. आप completely starve मत करो, एक ही जिंदगी है, but at the same time sometimes you get carried away. हॉलीडे पे जा रहे हो, दोस्त है, दोस्त सब कुछ खा रहे हैं, बड़ा पाव से लेके समोसा से लेके पास्ता से लेके सब कुछ, बियर सब कुछ, और you have to sit there and you have to ask for grilled food or salads. You know your goal. If your goal is that important, then you make sure you go get it. To make sure, if you are making sure you want to go get it, then there are a lot of sacrifices. And I don't mind making those sacrifices, because if I want to look a certain way, I want to look a certain way. And then when you reach, like I can tell you my story. In the last 1 month, 1 year, 1.5 years, I've really worked on myself. 1.5 years, I told myself in the beginning of 2024 that I have to be a certain way and look a certain way in 2025. And till I achieve that, because I'm very determined, I'm very self-motivated. You have to be. Now, nothing can change that for me. I am like that. मुझे कम खाना दो चलेगा, खाना मत दो चलेगा, घर पे जो है उसमें से मेरे लिए जो सही है मैं खा लूंगी. मेरे लिए सही नहीं है, प्रोटीन शेक पी के सो जाऊंगी.
ओके.
या एक सूप और प्रोटीन शेक पी के, थोड़ा कार्ब्स और प्रोटीन पी के सो जाऊंगी. कुछ नहीं है, अंडे खा के सो जाऊंगी. When I'm on when I'm following that regime. फिर कभी अभी जब जैसे कि अभी if I've reached a certain goal, फिर कभी कभार 15-20 दिन में कुछ फ्राइड खा लिया, या if you feel like having a drink or something, going out with friends, it's somebody's birthday, केक खा लिया. शुगर को मैं बहुत अवॉइड करती हूँ. ये पहले बात हमारे बचपन में समझ में नहीं आई थी. अब जाके I teach my daughter. Our parents didn't tell us because they themselves didn't know. Now we know that how bad sugar is for us. So that's that's a killer. वो मैं attract. जैसे अभी फ्रेश क्रीम सोडा में शुगर नहीं डाला.
और वो अच्छा है कि उन्होंने कम डाला है, you know?
कम नहीं डाला, डाला ही नहीं है. डाला ही नहीं है. It's fresh lime soda with salt. जिंदगी में नमक की जरूरत है, salt की नहीं. I mean sugar की नहीं.
But I must say that the work which you have done on yourself, and probably the energy shift or the focus which you have given to yourself, it is radiating on yourself and it is showing. And I'm not trying to just try to impress you right now with this interview, but I can feel that, you know, while seeing your vibe. Touch wood, that's a very good thing. And when you attract that kind of positivity in your life, you also face the burden of negativity, which I'm sure you have worked on that.
Yes,
moving on to that side of it, you know, when you were kind of, you know, hustling in your life, working in your life, you know, making a career, to now, what is that one thing which is consistent, which has stayed with you over the years, and one thing which you prefer, you know, being flexible with, so that you keep on amping up, you know, in your life?
My warrior spirit. I am a never say die, and I never let go, and that keeps me going, because I think I'm number one. I'm ruled by the sun, and I've been seeing so much of it now on Instagram that I've really started believing it.
Yes.
I always used to say that I am a warrior. Now I realize why I'm a warrior, because probably I'm a 19, which ends up to 1. Also, well, one thing you said that I would want to change about me, that I would be flexible.
Yes.
I have this, I want to be perfect. I'm a perfectionist. I think I need to get rid of that habit of mine, because it's too draining. I have to accept that I can't be perfect and nothing can be perfect and nothing is perfect. So, वो एक चीज है, you know, वो Virgos वाली एक चीज, जो you have to be a perfectionist. ये ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे होना चाहिए. अच्छा, मैं ऐसे हूँ तो मेरे घर में मेरे स्टाफ को भी ऐसे हो, सब बेचारे पिस जाते हैं.
Literally पिसते हो.
Yeah.
Are you into cooking food also? आप खाना बनाते हो?
नहीं, मैं I supervise. Like I exactly know if I taste something, इसमें क्या डालना चाहिए था जिससे ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सकता था, या क्या ज़्यादा डाला है जिससे शायद टेस्ट थोड़ी इधर उधर हो गई हो. Like I'm really good at that, because I had my own cloud kitchen, which I've shut right now because the building is going under redevelopment. So, but I don't really, because I started modeling since the age of 15. I was always out of the house. तो नौबत ही नहीं है घर पे मम्मी से सीखने की.
पर कभी यानी ट्राई नहीं किया कुकिंग करना?
कभी कभार किया है, अच्छा किया. पर ऐसे रोज रोज बोलो तो मैं बोर हो जाऊंगी. It's not mine. इस पे जाएंगे. Coconut stew, avial type. Yum.
Then you have pulli kodambu. That's tamarind curry with raw banana white wine. Then we have korma. That's a richer version of stew, but it's a cashew and.
अच्छा, this is different. This is different. This reminds me of my South, when I used to do my South films.
Yeah.
The tiffin आता था.
हाँ.
The tiffin में सब होता था. This is
Coriander, cumin and mint. Yellow coconut curry.
Madras Railway curry.
That's a
Lemon rice,
coconut rice.
coconut rice.
That's vatta kodambu.
Vatta kodam.
Super sour curry.
Oh, yeah, Rama. I'm confused. I can't decide.
Confusing.
Don't give me anything that's khatta. That's all. I like this. This is really nice.
Yeah, even I liked it actually. You want to call for this?
ये क्या था? Yogurt something.
That's very good, basically. More
It's actually
kodambu.
tasty.
It's like your normal
dahi-
dahi ka कड़ी.
Curry. So let's call for this if you want.
This is nice. सब कुछ तो nice है यार.
I'm liking this entire miniature what he's got.
Oh, lemon rice yum. मजा आ गया यार. हाँ.
I'm feeling happy कि तुम खा रहे हो actually. आप खा रहे हो वही काफी अच्छा है.
मैं तो खाती हूँ बस.
हाँ. So
आप भी खाओ. अरे खाओ यार. ले लो चम्मच लो. अच्छा नहीं लगता अकेले अकेले. खाओ. प्यार बढ़ता है. खाओ.
हाँ.
Really प्यार बढ़ता है.
दो
Sharing.
दोस्त एक कप में चाय
sharing.
पी लेंगे तो
हाँ. Sharing is caring.
But
My
I-
friends say with me, sharing is daring. ईशा के प्लेट से खाना नहीं खा सकते बहुत, क्योंकि मैं ना वो लोग ये भी करते वो भी करते वो सब कुछ ऑर्डर करते हैं. मैं मेरा स्टीम्ड फिश ले लूंगी
हाँ.
और कुछ ऐसे
healthy options.
Healthy options.
हाँ.
अगर उसमें भी तुम लोग हाथ मारोगे फिर मैं क्या खाऊंगी.
That's true.
तो मैं फिर डायरेक्टली मेरा शुरू हो जाता है. एंड देन लाइक ईशा के साथ ना शेयरिंग इज नॉट केयरिंग, शेयरिंग इज डेयरिंग.
And they try that.
हाँ.
फिर भी वो attempt करते हैं.
अटेम्प्ट करते हैं.
But as I go on this entire social media और Instagram काफी addictive तो है ही. आपने कोई ऐसी चीज है जो अडॉप्ट की है खुद के लिए and you have literally felt like अच्छा इससे कुछ अच्छा भी सीखने को मिला है.
Yeah, so like I said, I get very motivated with self-help books. So what I do is I like all these thoughts. जो thoughts आते हैं, quotes आते हैं, जो like I said interviews. I like to see interviews of great people, great politicians, Hollywood actors. I like well-spoken people. I like to see their interviews. There's a lot to learn from their life. So this is what motivates me also. This is what, it's a part of my profession. So, and we learn till the day we die. So this is what I've picked from Instagram. बस उसके उपरांत मैं सिर्फ बहुत सेल्फिश हूँ और मैं सिर्फ अपना ही देखती हूँ कि मेरे सोशल मीडिया टीम ने क्या आज किया है, क्या काम किया है, क्या हुआ है. बस इतना स्क्रीन टाइम. When I ask my daughter and I moderate her screen time, then I
That
should
depends on you also.
lead by example.
But today, in today's time, it's also become very important for actors to have a certain following and be popular on social media to kind of get views. What do you have to say on that? Because a lot of actresses are also debating on that कि art को तुमने कहीं ना कहीं social media से कैसे यानी वो कर लिया है.
And they're right. I think it's very sad because I don't think there's any connection between your talent and the number of following that you have. There's no connection because there are a lot of people who are so talented, but they don't have that many numbers. And it doesn't matter. You can't make money at the box office because of your Instagram following.
Yeah.
There's no connection.
And of course, which is very true because I don't know if Instagram followers also count into how you're performing on camera. And I think like art is something which is inbuilt in yourself.
Right.
Right? Coming to your South Indian cinema and the kind of work you have done, you recently also revealed that you had your own time, you know, while working on that, and they were very reclusive also कि Bollywood वाली an actress है, you know what she's going to do. Tell me about your journey in South. At the same time, your popularity over there is superb.
Yeah,
Like
it
people
is.
really like follow you very, very avidly and very evidently, basically.
They're very staunch fans there.
Staunch
they
fans, yeah.
really worship you.
Mm.
So, yeah, I started my career with South Films, and all of this I've eaten in the South. This is called Tanjore Tiffins, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we used to get tiffins every day. The breakfast is called tiffin.
Huh.
All this, मतलब सुबह शाम हम यही खाते थे. Lemon rice, sambar rice, curd rice, and then ये क्या tamarind rice,
हाँ, tamarind.
पोंगल,
हाँ.
5-6 तरीके के चावल. फिर उसके बाद बड़े गिरी, which was like बड़ा and सांबार. उसके बाद इडली. ओ बाप रे, ऐसे लगता था, अब लगता कि how much we used to eat.
खाना priority हो
Yeah,
गई है,
but
I can see that.
they're fantastic there. The technicians are great. The culture of starting a film and finishing it off in 2 months, I think, started there.
Hmm.
Here, movies used to go on for 2 years, and then eventually we also adapted and then adopted, and we also
now
started.
it's gone now.
Yeah, now it's caught up.
But how it has been for you when you started off initially versus things over the years over there? Did it take time to adjust to the surrounding over there?
They were very warm,
Yeah.
very welcoming. I had some great scripts and films to my credit. I was very lucky to work with such great technicians in production houses and actors right in the beginning of my career. I got the best debut filmfare also in the South. So it was a fab journey. I learned how to dance there because you know the dances in the South.
Yes.
Veg
It's not that easy.
Yeah, veg kurma aa gaya, yellow
aa
wala.
gaya.
Steamed rice aa gaya.
More column. Dahi curry.
Dahi curry.
Both have the same color, but both have different taste.
Different in taste.
This is a
Completely.
coconut, that is a curd.
Curd.
खा लो.
एक चीज बहुत फेमस अभी हो रही है सोशल मीडिया पर भी कि आपने 15 बार नागार्जुना को स्लैप किया.
मैंने नहीं किया, उसने किया.
उसने आपको किया था. सॉरी, हाँ. Actually, it's actually the other way around that he slapped you 15 times just to get the perfect shot. And थप्पड़ की गूंज से डर लगता है साहब. You know, it's not about the love all the time. How
नहीं,
was
नहीं,
that? Yeah.
वो थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से.
प्यार से लगता है, पर मुझे जो ऐसा लग रहा है कि थप्पड़ से भी डर लगना चाहिए कहीं ना
हाँ,
कहीं.
सही बात है. मुझे भी
15
तो
times.
बाद में बात समझ में आई.
हाँ.
आई थिंक वो वाला डायलॉग मुझे बहुत पहले ऐसे लगता था कि हाँ, थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से लगता है, इसलिए मैंने बोला मारो मारो.
हाँ.
उसके बाद मुझे थप्पड़ से भी डर लगने लग गया. So actually, I tell you how it happened. He was slapping me like, पावम निशा, पावम पावम. I said, यार नाग, I'm not, because scenes थोड़ा feel तो करने दो
हाँ.
कि you know you're slapping me. थोड़ा जोर से, वो थोड़ा जोर से, फिर तो आए ऐसे उंगली आ गई थी. तो 15, 14 या 50 मैंने गिना नहीं.
हाँ.
अभी 15 नंबर किसको आप लोगों को मिला?
पता नहीं
I have
कैसे
no
मिला.
idea.
मिला
कौन
ऐसे
वहाँ
मिला.
उस टाइम चंद्रलेखा के सेट पे बैठा था देखने के लिए कि कितने स्लैप्स है. ऑल दैट आई डोंट नो, बट मारे काफी मारे.
15 स्लैप्स या कम ऑन.
लाल हो गया था मेरा चेहरा.
यानी एक्टिंग में ये सब भी कहीं ना कहीं करना.
हाँ, मैं
पड़ता
अपने आप को बहुत मेथड टाइप ऑफ एक्टर शायद समझती थी. उसके बाद मैंने कहा स्पॉन्टेनियस इज बेटर
है. Yeah.
एंड थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन. ईशा,
What made you choose your career in acting? Like कोई ऐसी एक्ट्रेस, कोई ऐसा एक्टर जिसकी जर्नी को देखकर आप बहुत इंस्पायर्ड
Sridevi. She is always the one and only bus. Every film of her. Any film. I don't think there's any actor who has that kind of spark that Sridevi has. You know, of course, Madhuri is for acting, dancing, and she's also fab. But for me, I feel it. I came into the industry thinking of her. I mean, whether it was Lamhe, whether it was Khuda Gawah, whether it was Sadma, whether it was Mr. India and the Charlie Chaplin scene. Do you even remember that
Yeah.
scene?
Yes.
Well,
It was very done very beautifully.
and that scene where she comes with the kids have not eaten and she comes with samosas and pastries.
Yeah.
And she's touched by those kids for the first time because she hates kids. Then they make a lot of noise. And then she comes with that. And that scene is, she is something else. I can't use it in the past.
I could see you like also being emotionally connected to her.
Yeah, because
Have you met her? otherwise?
yes. I met her, and I've even told her that she's the reason for me, um, for me to be here. I was very inspired by her, and she's very shy. She doesn't talk much, and she's completely the opposite in front of the camera. And I met her at a Diwali party. I spoke to her just for like 5 minutes. I didn't want to trouble her. I'm not the kind who will, kind of intrude somebody's privacy. So I didn't know her personally. So I went and just introduced myself, and she said, "Yes, I know you." She's so soft-spoken, and yeah, it's sad. I mean, she's a legend.
That she is. Touch wood, and we all remember her for the kind of work she has done.
Yes, her body of work, it's amazing.
Let's try this. पर आप वही मैं आपको पूछ रही थी कि आप यानी I could see your love for food, but at the same time, being on camera. और आपने बताया भी कि कैसे आप करते हो, but एक ऐसे भी होता है ना कि जब आप on field when you go for your work, कुछ ऐसे फूड आइटम्स होंगे जो आपके फेवरेट होंगे जो आपको सेट पर चाहिए.
फ्रूट्स चाहिए, सूप चाहिए, प्रोटीन शेक चाहिए, अंडे चाहिए. I'm done. Yeah, और तंदूरी
चाय
चिकन,
कॉफी ऐसा something
तंदूरी
which has been
चिकन
your
चाहिए,
favorite.
ब्लैक कॉफी चाहिए. चावल नॉर्मली मुझको नींद आती है. आज मैंने खाना नहीं खाया दोपहर का, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ खाने वाली थी. या क्योंकि मैं यहाँ खाने वाली थी. और दोपहर को नॉर्मली मैं चावल खाती हूँ. एंड आई हैव माई डिनर बाय 6:37 PM. उसके बाद अगर भूख लगी, then I'll probably have a protein shake, or I'll just have some egg whites. That too by 8:30 max. 9:30, 10, 11 जितना लेट होता जाता है ना, उतना ही आपको you should not eat. It's not good to eat late. Everybody says that. Most of the actors today follow something called the circadian rhythm, which means circadian is you eat, you rise with the sun and you set with the sun. मतलब आप सुबह आपकी शुरुआत दिन की 5:30-6 बजे करो, और जब दिन ढल जाता है तो आप भी ढल जाओ. जाके मिनी टाइम.
Any pressures you have dealt with as an actress in your journey where you were like not convinced with what you were trying to be convinced with?
But I made some wrong choices in terms of some projects, some roles, which probably were not executed the way they were narrated. I'm not saying that it was done purposefully. Maybe I didn't realize that is the acumen, and that was how much the director could do. Maybe it was my fault that I couldn't analyze and assess the credibility of the team. But that's it. We all make mistakes. We all have to grow. We can't keep cribbing, crying, and whining.
But you also have been one of those actresses, and now probably people do kind of do movies where there is another actress, but you have been someone who has done that with all love, with all sheer hard work towards it, where many actresses are not comfortable sharing screen space with another actress. You have shared with Sushmita, you have shared with Priyanka, you have shared with even Anita Hasnani, I mean Aishwarya Rai Bachchan basically, and you have done that. But I have to ask you that nowhere did you kind of feel that basically your role could have been more modified in a glamorous manner as compared to the counterparts or the friends, the colleagues, basically the kind of role were offered to them?
Yeah, of course you feel that sometimes you are you've not got the best deal, and you feel that it could have been all better. But then I guess that's just a part of the choices that you make. Maybe I should not have done that. I can't say it otherwise. I had the option to say no, which I'm doing now. So the
And
reason
is that
I'm taking my
helping you by
time.
saying no?
Sorry.
Is that helping you when you're saying no to the project?
Yeah, I think it's I think you have to be very clear what you want to do, what kind of film you want to do, and it takes time. I think the actors are paid. I always say that, and Jack Nicholson has said that we are paid to wait. We wait for years for that one film. That one film then gives you all that you waited for. So, and if you're talented and if you can maintain yourself, then wait. Why not? That's why I also feel that this should not be your only way, the only means of a living. Bread and butter should not be only movies.
True.
Because there's no consistency. आपको कुछ और करना बहुत जरूरी है. तो आप ये सोचो आप ये पैसों के लिए कर रहे हो या आप ये पैशन के लिए कर रहे हो. अगर पैसों के लिए कर रहे हो तो फिर तब करो जब आप एक लेवल पे पहुंच जाते हो, फिर आपको उस टाइप के पैसे मिलेंगे तो ठीक है. बट इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर करियर, do not make any creative compromises because of financial reasons. फिर problems हो जाती है. Because then you don't choose the right kind of roles. You don't feel justice has been, that your role is justified. Raw deal है. I could have done better, or maybe the film could have. कुछ तो कुछ ऐसे एक ऐसे कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम लगती है.
हाँ.
वो तो हर जगह. आई मीन satisfaction एक टेक्नीशियन को, एक प्रोफेशनल को, we never satisfied 100%. And I think that is what also helps us grow in life. That keeps the fire in the belly alive. है ना?
Yeah, of course. शाहरुख खान के साथ में आपने काम किया है and people talk about your role even now, and Dawn is again coming into picture. Dawn 3 is happening. Ranveer Singh has become a part of it. Tell us your experience of working with someone like him and being on the set with him, the King Khan which we have known over the years.
Shah Rukh Khan is a legend. Cannot really say much within the parameters of words about his class, about very suave. The way he is not only limited to what he does on screen. Even off screen, he is exactly like that. And I think he just wears class like a blanket. He just knows how to carry himself. The way he, जैसे स्टेज पे जाने के टाइम,
yes,
लोगों की पल्लू या लोगों के गाउन का वो एक वेल, या he's just, I think that is what is sexy about a man.
Yeah.
When not only being chivalrous, but in the kindness that he exudes and that he has, the way he speaks, the respect that he gives you, to that probably you just feel heard. You feel noticed. You're so new, and he's Shah Rukh Khan, and you feel like you're a nobody in front of him, but he makes you feel you're everything. That is a very unique quality, and I have not seen in many. And that is what makes Shah Rukh Shah Rukh.
That's interesting, and we have seen that. The king of romance. We don't call him like that because
he's the king of Bollywood, not just romance.
His aura we have seen. Probably it's more of the aura which she brings to the
last of the superstars.
Yes. That's okay. And now it's his birthday which is coming up.
Oh yes, on the
super
2nd.
soon.
Yes,
How
yes,
are you kind of planning to wish him, and do you have any plans?
On Instagram.
With a birthday wish, with a memory.
Yes, with a birthday wish, with a memory, and with lots of blessings. And we all need blessings, right?
Now that we speak about Instagram again, I had to tell you, and I told you also, that you have gone viral for this song for Krishna Cottage, which is Suna Suna Lamha Lamha. And that is one of my favorite songs also, by the way. But I have to ask you that suddenly it's picked up so well that people are making different kind of reels. Karwa Chauth की एक special reel बन रही है या अलग-अलग occasions की बन रही है.
Yes.
What do you have to say about that?
Suddenly this has happened. Earlier
Yeah.
I was called the Khalas girl.
Yeah.
But now I feel Suna Suna has just taken over. And you're absolutely right. Every second day mentions में आ जाता है कोई ना कोई सुना सुना गा रहा है और रील बना रहा है. करवा चौथ से लेके कुछ भी कहीं भी बर्थडे हो या कुछ भी हो दे. I think the song is evergreen. It's very beautiful, the song, and very meaningful. And you could fit it in any situation. So that's what is happening. But what is strange is what happened all this while. Suddenly, how Ekta kept it alive in all her serials. But even then, it was not as much as it's now.
Now people are just wanting it to be there in the backdrop. आपने जैसे कहा ना अभी कुछ समय पहले ही that you don't really know कि वो जो stars wait करते हैं एक कुछ चीज की वजह से
पता नहीं कब क्या कौन सी चीज कुछ भी हो सकता है.
That's true. इसी बात पर अगर किसी का डब्बा आपको एक्टर्स में से खाना पसंद आया या खाया है आपने या ऐसे कुछ मेमोरी रही है?
मैंने स्कूल में सबके डब्बे खाए चोरी कर करके.
हाँ.
मेरे सारे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स भाग जाते थे. जैसे ही टिंग 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 होता था लोग अपने बच्चे अपने टिफिन छुपा देते थे. I used to love. I was in a Parsi school. All Gujjus. So they used to get all this dal, dhokli, wokli, pukli, क्या फाफड़ा वाफड़ा.
Yeah.
And ये हम लोग तो नहीं खाते थे. I'm a South Indian, Bangalorean. तो मेरे क्लास में सब शाह, पटेल, मेहता ऐसे ही सब थे. और एक कस्टर्ड एप्पल की बासुंदी लाती थी एक लड़की. ओह गॉड, मैंने लाइफ में कस्टर्ड एप्पल की बासुंदी वहीं से खाना शुरू की. So they used to run away and I used to eat school lunch and I used to eat. So then फिर I think some of them really felt bad and they said that चलो ये स्कूल लंच नहीं खा रही है तो हम कुछ तो हमारे डब्बे को एक्स्ट्रा लाने लग गए. मतलब खुद के लिए भी लाने लग गए और शायद घर पे बोला होगा कि एक भूखी है जो हमारा टिफिन खाती है उसके लिए भी. वो तो चलिए मेरी कॉलोनी में भी. I used to go to people's houses and say I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Wow.
I was very bindas.
That's your Stanley का डब्बा.
When it comes to
With the face.
when it comes to food,
You have never been like a shy person.
never.
Do you love to experiment also in food? When I say so, like कुछ ऐसे जैसे कि अभी हम लोग ने experiment ही किया है. ये मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है. Thanks to you, I've had this. I've had mushrooms. पर ऐसे कुछ ऐसे experiment जो
नहीं खाया.
ये नहीं खाया मैंने कम से कम. Yeah. But have you tried experiment जो कुछ अच्छी भी रही होगी और कुछ ऐसे जो बहुत बुरी रह गई and you were like अरे मैंने क्यों ट्राई किया ये?
नहीं, अभी तक तो मुझे याद नहीं कोई बुरी चीज हो. थोड़ा खट्टा होगा या थोड़ा तीखा होगा, उसको हम बुरा नहीं कह सकते. But initially when I started tasting sushis and all, I was like, because it's not completely cooked, some are a little raw. But now I love sushis.
In India, which has been your favorite place जिसको आप एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत पसंद करते हो खाने के मामले में, and outside India कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आपको जाना पसंद है स्पेशली फॉर द फूड?
In India, there's Wasabi, there's Izumi, there's the Golden Dragon. Wasabi and Izumi are for Japanese. Golden Dragon is for Chinese. I like मेरे मम्मी के घर का खाना. We make typical ghashi and prawns and Mangalorean food. Then there's this place called Le Petit Chef in Goa, Hyatt. It's a fantastic experience where they have those LED things and the little chef comes and he starts cooking and you see it. It's a visual treat. And whatever is cooking then comes to you on your table. It's great for kids. And the food there is also very different, very exotic. I've gone there 3-4 times. There's Le Petit Chef even in Dubai. Fantastic. I like Nobu in London. The best Pan Asian that I've eaten in my life. I'm more a Indian and Japanese person. I mean, cuisine person. So I like Jap and I love Indian. If I go abroad, I miss Indian. I ask कि Indian restaurant कहाँ है? तो 2 दिन के वहाँ के लोकल खाने के बाद मुझे मेरा इंडियन खाना चाहिए. Indian यहाँ I like Masala Bay. Is really nice.
It's actually very good, yeah.
I love Dum Phuk. ITC Indian food is fantastic. Their dals are fantastic. The Kali dal.
Kali dal, yeah. I was just going to come.
It's very amazing.
Tasty.
But very
Even
heavy.
the kebabs.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
The
Galoti.
Galoti.
Kebabs are really nice. And what else? And fish के लिए मैं ज़्यादा कुछ Indian fish के लिए जाती नहीं हूँ because मेरे घर पे ही मस्त मच्छी फ्राई सब कुछ मिलता है. I've grown up eating Parsi food, but not the kind of food I used to get in school.
Yeah.
The actual Parsi food which you get
The Jimmy Boy style.
Dhansak and Farsha and Patranu Machi and Sali Boti and I love all of
No,
that.
she's
क्या
counting
करें
it.
क्या करें बस हो गया यार अभी. Diet Isha focus.
मैंने इतना खाने की बात कर दी है ना अभी, but I would also let you enjoy this.
I'm enjoying.
आप खाओ भी और हम भी खाते हैं.
So, you know, people say you can't eat seafood with
The curd. It leads to some skin ka thing and milk also they say so.
I've been eating it.
Me too. बचपन से.
बचपन
In fact, I
से.
need curd along with the prawns pulao. मेरे को फिर वरना टेस्ट समझ में नहीं
Or you
आता है.
make curd and prawns and fish ka preparations.
Fish की
Bengali
चीजें,
में भी
हाँ.
होता है.
Being a mother, you know, and to a girl child, and I know उसमें pampering भी काफी होती है, and you get to do a lot of things. How the equation has been, and you know, खाने के मामले में वो कैसी है? Is she also like foodie? How things are like that?
She
as well?
loves fish.
Yeah.
Even she doesn't mind experimenting. But she's not very picky. She's a good kid. ये नहीं खाऊंगी. वेजिटेबल्स के लिए बच्चों को थोड़ा कैसे फोर्स करना पड़ता है, मुझे थोड़ा फोर्स करना पड़ता है. मुझे भी फोर्स करना पड़ता था मम्मी को वेजिटेबल्स के लिए. वैसे मुझे भी करना पड़ता है. But then I tell her by experience that there are a lot of complications if you don't eat vegetables. Digestion is not right and etc.
Correct.
So then she listens. But she's not very fussy. She is a good
She
kid.
prefers, yeah, like she's quite a balanced.
Yeah, I'm blessed.
That's true.
इतना हाँ और कुछ भी ट्राई करेगी. मतलब I know mothers who have to carry home food when they travel. They have to carry theplas or parathas when they travel internationally. You know. रियाना का ये मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वो कहीं भी कुछ भी खा लेगी.
How her reaction has been when she has watched your work on screen? How she has reacted to it?
Well, there's some emotional. Like there was a mother-daughter thing that she had seen and she was crying and she couldn't see it. Then there was one where I was dying, she couldn't see it. So I said, don't see. अब बार-बार अगर रोना है या रोना आ रहा है, it's better you don't watch. So yeah, you get very poor. I remember when I was a kid, my mother was performing on stage with my father. And my father used to direct very well and my mother had acted in one of his plays. So he shoots her in one stage drama. The name of the play was Thank You, Mr. Glad. A very famous play. So my father had played Mr. Glad, and he shoots my mother, and my mother falls, and I started howling in the audience, and I made it. There was a ruckus. So till I went backstage, until I saw her, they would not have been able to start the play. So I know the feeling. So Rihanna is of course older now. I must have been 5-6 at that age, at that time. But yeah, I know the feeling. You see your mother, you can't tell that it's real. Mother is mother.
That's true.
Yeah.
You can't like
Differentiate
that emotion at all.
Yeah.
Isha, I have to also ask you that when you took a break to start off your own personal life, were you skeptical? Were you kind of reclusive also that, okay, TK, this chapter will also come in your life, but how do I kind of deal with my glamorous side of life? Because then once you go in missing, and it has happened to a lot of actors and actresses, that when they have gone missing to kind of manage their personal life, they've also lost an opportunities when they have come back, or probably they have find it difficult to kind of, come back also.
Yeah, see, as an actor, it's a new role. We are taught to essay when we assigned a certain role. We have to essay it to the best possible, in the best possible way. So, first it was the role of a wife, then it was the role of a mother, and I'm a 100% committed actor. So I knew that it's not very different. If you could do your real life so well, with so much of commitment, this is your real life. You better do it with 100% commitment. So, yes, it's not easy. For sure, you get these kind of thoughts that what if the industry completely rules you out or completely dismisses you? And yes, it happened. But I think that is life. I think what has to happen at a particular time has to happen. You are lucky if you can manage to do both. But when you're somebody who's not from, who's married into a family that's not from the industry, it becomes a little difficult. Versus those who are married into the industry. They understand your line of work, they understand your job, because they too are a part of it. It's the same fraternity, right?
Yeah.
But when you marry somebody who's not, it becomes very difficult, very difficult. And then you have to choose. And then again, you have to balance for better. I was not asked to leave or quit. But when you're trying to balance, and if you want to be a good mother to your child, then you have to prioritize, which I did. But I think it's never too late. If you're talented, I think people will wait for you.
And people have waited for you, and over the years, coming back to your own produced movie, and which is Rocket Ship. Tell us something about that.
It's not produced by me.
So it's basically, can you just tell me your role, in this
Rocket
movie?
Ship
I'd rather
is-
be clear.
Yeah, Rocket Ship is just it's a short film produced by Whistling Woods
Okay.
for their diploma students. It's not produced by me.
Okay.
So they came to me saying that, Isha ma'am, can you please do this for us? And we are just starting off in our lives. And, this is a gamut of what we've learned over the last few years. And there's one, they taught different things. It's a school, like a films institute, where you learn cinematography, you learn acting, you learn production. So they had their team. एक DOP था, वहीं के actors भी थे, और उन्होंने एक script writer भी था. सब कुछ वो students करते हैं. So then I said, okay, fine, but I first need to know the script. Only then will I. I loved the script because it is about a single mother and daughter.
Yeah.
So, and a very emotional one. So I said, okay, fine, I'll do this. That's how I did it. And I'm glad I could do it. Firstly, because there was so much that I could learn from them. Because after this, this gap, the industry has really changed. And with all these new talented students who are so fresh, with such great ideas and so much of passion, it felt really nice to be on that set.
Yeah.
Because there's so much of honesty when you're so young. I loved it. And I think it was really nice. It was, I think it was not about just me supporting them. I think it was symbiosis. There was a lot that I learned and they gave me. It was really, really nice. We finished this film in 2 days. Yeah, it's a short film. It's 30 minutes. So they shot for 3 days, but my work was for 2 days.
You have worked with Sohail Khan in a lot of projects and all, and your equation has also been very good with the Khan family. With Salman, not as such, probably you were there.
Salman was there in Hello and Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya, but
yes. But right now, as I speak about someone like Salman, he's all up there for a show like Bigg Boss. And people love to watch that. And people also equally enjoy, what is portrayed. And at the same time, people kind of relate to it. Were you being offered Bigg Boss? Would you ever prefer being a part of a show like that?
No. I can't relate to it.
Yeah.
I feel there's too much of a personal life going out there. I think there's enough for Instagram तक ठीक है. और personal life की नुमाइश नहीं करनी है. The personal life is for you. It's very private. And there's only that much that I think people should know about your life. And there's too much of... it's not me. I don't want to say anything about any show because I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who want to be there on that show. I don't want to disillusion them, or I don't want to, or them to think otherwise, because they want to do it.
Yeah.
But I don't want to do it.
But coming back to the kind of work which you have done, and as we also come close to the
And I've yet never seen a single episode of Bigg Boss.
Yes, I have just seen recently.
I've not seen a single episode of Big
I've
Boss.
seen recently.
Because what happens is it kind of shakes my nervous system. I'm a very happy person. I'm somebody who is all the time just bouncing. And I just love. हमारी आधी जिंदगी निकल जाती है कि ये सोचते सोचते कि हम इस सिचुएशन से कैसे निकले, अगर वो सिचुएशन बुरी हो तो, राइट? अब वापस अब टीवी के सामने बैठ के वही सिचुएशन में जा रहे हो जहाँ लोग झगड़ रहे हैं, एक दूसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, यार वो मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रेस देता है.
I just watched 2 episodes and I'm like, I
I
don't want to
can't
watch
do
it.
that. I cannot do that. Like the press goes crazy asking me, you know, certain when I was working with heroines, different actors, females, cat fights हुए, क्या हुआ, ये fight हुआ, वो fight हुआ, ऐसे क्या तुम लोग यार? Heroes को पूछते हैं क्या dog fights हुए? Heroines को पूछते हो cat fights हुए, cat fight? नहीं, मेरा किसी के साथ कोई fight नहीं हुआ. I'm very peace loving. मैं खुद को compliment देती हूँ कि I'm very peace loving. I'm very happy. I'm very nice. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है किसी को मेरे से problem नहीं थी, इसीलिए मुझे किसी के साथ problem नहीं. It's what you exude, I feel.
And what you send to the universe.
Universe, बस वहीं पे कहानी खत्म. कोई controversy नहीं, कोई headlines नहीं, कोई news sensationalize नहीं होगी, right? वो थिंग आप लोगों को मैटर नहीं मिलता.
नहीं मैटर से यानी conversation में निकल जाता कई बार.
Right.
But I have to ask you, एक चीज जो हो रही है, which is also in the name of trying to show that, you know, oh, we are exposed in cinema, or we are trying to kind of portray a different world to the world, and, you know, being open out there. And of course, you know, cinema like that is like that, you know, art is for people who are open-minded. But at the same time, vulgarity has also superseded in many places while trying to show some intimate scenes. What are your thoughts on that? What do you have to say?
Whatever that rocks your boat, of course we should know where we are from. We should know our culture. It is true. We watch Hollywood films and we don't say much. We watch our own Indian heroines doing it and we comment. But such is life, and we live in India. So if you want to live in India, then I think we are a little conservative, all of us. So if you're conservative and then you're trying to ape another culture, it becomes very difficult. But then I am nobody here to say what's right and wrong. I can say what's right and wrong for me. I can define what's good and bad for me, but I cannot do that for somebody else, because to each his own. So if somebody wants to go ahead and do it, and whatever that rocks your boat, if you feel good doing it, do it. How can I comment on somebody else's choices?
No, but it's not like, basically, I'm not saying that, you know, it could be their choices, but somewhere the increased need of having those scenes, or probably, you know, shooting in a certain manner which may not look intimate but may look vulgar also. What do you have to say on that?
I think everything has to have, there has to be aesthetic sense in anything that you do. Because the minute anything kind of displeases your eyes, nazar jaisi hatne lagti hai, means
it's not that.
It becomes distasteful.
Anisha, before I even let you finish your meal, have your conversation. No, I'm not letting you let them touch the rice right now, but I have to ask you before I let you go. Upcoming projects you're focusing on. What's next for you now that you're completely energized and you're like back into the
Yes. So I have been meeting a lot of people, and अभी एक fad चल रहा है, हर जगह auditions हो रहे हैं. So people call you and they want to see whether you fit the bill. How scripts पढ़ रही हूँ, बहुत मतलब there is a lot of noise, but like I said, we are paid to wait, and I don't want to make the same mistakes that I did in my first innings. So I will wait, and I will wait for the best script, director, producer, and for everything to come together. It takes time. So my audience has shown so much patience. I'm sure they will show a little more, but I know that it's just around the corner. I just know it. I can feel it in my bones.
Now that she's saying that, you know, she's putting a lot in my head right now. That अच्छा, कहीं ना कहीं अभी curiosity आपने बढ़ा दी है इसके वजह से. But lovely chatting with you, and happy to see this side of you, honestly.
The eating side?
Yeah, and not that, you know, जो आप वो जो actual में Krishna Cottage में जो आप दूध बन के जो जाते हो, वो side नहीं देख रही हूँ मैं, ये side देख रही हूँ. But lovely chatting with you as always. Thank you so much for such a lovely interaction, and all the very best. I'm looking forward to see you on big screen with a lot of patience and on a very good road.
Soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.